Hi traders. So in today's video I want to be eaten by mosquitoes again because this is my new hobby. So you know, everyone has its own things that they like the most to do. So let's talk about trading a little bit between two mosquitoes. Oh man, the thing is, in today's video I will talk about a really interesting topic, and this is how to choose the right broker when you start to trade. And actually in the markets there are several types of brokers, and you may don't even know that you trade with one type or the other. So let's discuss what is the best broker to use if you are a beginner, and actually if you are an advanced trader as well. The first type of broker that you will encounter is market makers. Now, market makers are like casinos. So when they offer you a service, you just walk into the casino and you start to gamble, and you start to throw your money into the machines, and just having fun. And the bank, the casino, always win at the end. But so market makers are the most common brokers out there, and they are the reason for that, because they have the fucking money to advertise themselves. They sponsor the biggest soccer teams and football teams and everything you can imagine, and this is because they don't this is an interesting topic, because people don't believe in certain things that are true. So they don't make their money by commissions and stuff. They often say that they have no commissions, they are commission free and everything free, and you think yourself, really this is true? And nah, it is not true, because they make fucking huge amounts of money. You know how? You lose, and what you lose, it is yours. So it is like a casino, because they are market makers. So basically, when you take a trade, they take the opposite trade, because that is how the markets work. But when you take a trade, the market maker, the normal thing would be that another person at the end will take an opposite trade. But this way, the opposite is always the market maker. And actually there are some advantages if you trade with a market maker, and this is they create some liquidity, and also most of the time they have much better trading environments. They have unique platforms, and but this is just the appearance to fucking drag you in, and then they make that money. And most of the traders at the beginning, they trade with market makers, because market makers have better flashy ads and stuff. And I traded with them, and it is so interesting to see right now that how much time they just manipulate you a little bit to lose, and they trade against you actually. So it is let's say it is an interesting practice. But the other broker type is ECN brokers, and actually communication network. And that actually means then that when you trade with an ECN broker, you actually, when you take a trade, it is an algorithm that connects your trades to other people, to banks, to people, to anyone who take the opposite trade. So it is basically just a system that gets your trades and take it into the market, and it is the shit. This way, you don't have to deal with market makers, and so I would 100% recommend to trade with ECN brokers. The disadvantage is that their platforms most of the time are really less user friendly, because only real traders use them, who knows that they should use ECN broker, and the beginners use the market makers flashy, good, user friendly platform, and it is totally understandable. But if you want to step up, you have to change your broker and use an ECN one. Yeah, so I think these are the most important differences between the two, and actually I see so many people use these market makers, and they I don't say that that is not true, that you lose because you use a market maker. You lose because you are a beginner, you don't know how to trade. But this is not fair that they take the opposite trade like a casino. You know what I mean. So okay, I see you in the next video, and I hope these mosquitoes won't kill me during the night, and ciao.